Good morning, hello, this is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com, and today I'm going to be trying to clean up my laundry room sink with Barkeepers Friend. My laundry room sink is where I wash my delicate hand washables and also where I rinse out all my paintbrushes. So the sink has gotten really paint stained and it's even got some varnish stain in there and it's looking really bad, and I'm going through right now, I'm trying to do a refresh of my laundry room for spring. So I'm going to try to clean up that sink, and I have heard that Barkeepers Friend can work miracles. So let's give it a try. Come on with me, let's get started. All right, here's my sink, and I'm just gonna get it all wet. And then I'm gonna sprinkle the Barkeeper's Friend all over. That's what it says to do. Let's see. Sprinkle onto a wet surface, rub gently with a wet cloth or sponge. Rinse thoroughly with clean water within a minute of application, then wipe dry. Okay. So you don't leave it on there for long, apparently. All right. I'm gonna rub it around a little bit with this damp rag because I can't get it up on the sides very easily. I'm going to use this to scrub, and I've got a scrubber in here too, an old sponge. Okay, let's give it a whirl. I don't really care if this sink looks perfect, but it's just getting to the point that you come in here and you're like, can I even get anything clean in that sink? It looks so disgusting. Even my paint. So I'm just trying to make this room, it's such a hard-working room for me, and I want it to look good, and you also see it a lot. There's no hiding it. When people walk past to the kitchen, it's just right there, and I'm tired of it looking like this big mess. I want it to look good. I am so pleased at how Barkeepers Friend cleaned up my dirty paint-stained utility sink. It did amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is oldworldfarmhouse.com. Tap the bell for notifications, like and subscribe. Thank you again. Bye.